Hey, Sunny Solution fans. Have you ever ordered something and didn't know what to do with it after you got it? I really want to talk to you about an easy way to get all the support you need. Obviously, you have me here. So if you're watching this live and I've ever helped you with something, I would love to have you comment below. Just a quick like, yeah, you've helped me, or if you want to be specific and share a story, I would love to hear that. But anyway, with the new wellness program that doTERRA launched last year, and then now we have the digestive program this year, it's really handy to know what to do. So I have today month 3. So you'll see it gives you all the details on the outside of the box, what's in it, and some brief ways to use it. And then on the inside, it gives you a little card that you can keep. So on the back, it tells you kit 3 and then all the items in the box. This box also comes at a discount. So the same products, if you order them all separately, would be more. So they do bundle it, so bundle and save. Inside the box, this is one of my favorite digestive products, and it's the PB Assist Junior. And so you would think, well, why is this one of my favorite digestive products? Because it's a kid's product. But one of the things I like about it is it's really convenient. So there are these little pixie sticks, and if you listen, it's a powder. So they're kind of like like the kids' candy pixie sticks, only there's not sugar added to them. But they're real handy to take because you don't need water to swallow them. So one of my secrets that I use it for is if I get digestive upset from food, or maybe I've got a little bit of a bug going on, I will take this and let it dissolve on my tongue. And it seems to work pretty fast for me in just settling down my stomach. So also great for kids because it is in that powder form, so you can add it to juice or maybe to their smoothie in the morning. My grandchildren love these. They'll just pour them straight on their tongue and let them dissolve. But for your little ones, you can just use part of a pack of one of these and spread it out through the day. Or maybe over a couple of days, you can put it on a spoon and just let them lick it off the spoon. So there's a lot of ways to use this. The other thing with the kids version of probiotic, it's a slightly different selection of bacteria probiotic strain than the adult version. So it's good for us to mix up our probiotics a little bit. So I do use these occasionally throughout the week just to get that extra support. And the other thing with our digestive health, 70 to 80% of our immune system is in our digestive tract. So when we feed our body good probiotics, that helps our immune system. And then the other thing is with our brain and nervous system, up to 90% of our serotonin, which is our feel-good chemical in the brain, is actually made in our digestive tract. So if you're struggling with keeping an uplifted mood, you may want to consider adding some extra probiotics into your body. And then one of the things too to remember is that our digestive tract is so full. Like there's so many probiotic strains, but we really need to have the good balance of bacteria much higher than the bad. And so anytime we've got invaders moving in, we need to help our body recover from that. So that's one of the big things about getting your body fed well with probiotics. Also, I wanted to refer to my notes. So it helps with the kidney, bladder, and female reproductive system. So those are some reasons why you might want to add probiotics. Very helpful for the respiratory system as well. So this is an overall improve your wellness type of thing, just simply adding probiotics to your life. And then a couple other things that are in our wellness box. The ginger digestive drops. So I really love these. They're very convenient. They're a little drop just like that. So I like to carry those in my purse. One of the things that they're really handy for is that if you get kind of motion sickness, they really help with that nausea from motion sickness. Also that occasional indigestion. So you've went out to eat or you just wanted one of your comfort foods that you know isn't good for you. this will help that. I'm not promoting that you eat unhealthy all the time, but there's just certain things that you want to eat. So the ginger drops help with that. I like the taste of them. They're kind of like candy to me, but I love ginger. So they do have lemon as well, which is really good for the digestive tract. And then inside, there's also our Digestin blend. So that's one of our hero oils. We have the whole product line based off the Digestin. So anything digestive you can use this for. So you can add it to a little bit of water. You can put in a veggie cap. You can use some fractionated coconut oil, make a roller, or just even 1 drop of this with some coconut oil and rub it around on your stomach, even the bottoms of the feet. So little ones, you can put that on the bottoms of their feet. That helps with any kind of digestive upset. And then fennel, I love fennel. Not everybody loves the smell or the taste of it, but this is one of my favorites. So if you ever get kind of that vapor locked feeling, fennel helps that to release. And so that's one of my tips and tricks for you if you ever get that vapor locked feeling. The other thing it's good as a breath freshener. So you can put a drop on your tongue and drink some water, and it's a natural breath freshener. It's also really good when used internally to help support your metabolism, and may also help with just your overall digestive support. So there's been a lot of research with your pancreas and how it works there. So you can do your own research, more than I'm going to get into on this Facebook Live, but it's kind of one of those little hidden gems that a lot of people don't know about. And then also with the kit, your gift with purchase is this exclusive little to-go pouch. So it's got the carabiner on it, and it just has the, whoops, it's kind of spring-loaded. So just like that. And then you can stick your pixie stick of PB Assist. You can throw in your ginger drop, and then it'll clip right to your purse or your backpack, or maybe your kid's backpack, and you've got your stuff to go with you. I always tell people, make sure you have your oils and those things where you need them. Don't stick them in a drawer or cupboard where you forget about them. Get them to where you have them when you need them. So also with the Digestive Wellness subscription box, you can add up to 3 additional products for a discount. So I added celery seed and the Digestin soft gel. So it's the very same oil here, but it's in a soft gel form. So per se that you don't necessarily like the taste of Digestin, you can take these. The other thing that's nice, rather than making your veggie cap with the Digestin oil, if you use the Digestin soft gels, they don't break down. So you can carry these easily in your purse or your backpack and not have to worry about them melting the veggie cap. So they're very portable. I like that. And then the peppermint soft gels are another add-on that you can do to the Digestive Wellness box. And these are what they call enteric coated, so they don't dissolve inside your stomach. They actually wait until they get into your intestinal tract to dissolve. So it's very beneficial to have that extra peppermint there. Your body can help do all the good things with it there. So that is what I have for you tonight with the Digestive Wellness box. That was month 3. So I set that into my loyalty rewards order. If you don't know how to do that, let me know in the comments or message me and I can help you get that set up. But then this was month 3. So now it'll restart back over to month 1, or I can cancel it and do one of the other wellness programs, or I can restart this one. These are all products that I use on a daily basis. So it's not anything that is just going to sit in my cupboard. I'm actually going to use these. So with that, let me know if you have some questions. I just wanted to explain that sometimes when you see it, it's easier to understand the benefits that you're going to have from it. And you can share this with your entire family and just support that wellness, because we've got, now that it's springtime, you may be suffering from some seasonal discomfort, and probiotics really help with that. So I can always tell if I run out of my probiotics, I will notice that my nose is not happy. So if you struggle with some of those things, let me know and I can help you with that too. So we'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.